Depression, some have described this as an invisible anvil around the neck while trying to swim in the ocean. It is a condition challenging to tell, yet it is very much among us. We go through a low mood at some time or the other. However, there are certain times some people will go through this for a prolonged period, affecting their daily lives and relationships, and may need support to go through it. Anxiety and other mental experiences often accompany depression, making the person's situation more complex. So help is critical to deal with depression. It has been noticed that depression is associated with low proportions of certain chemicals in the brain, which has also helped develop various approaches to the management of depression. A couple of medical conditions mimic depression, and it is always helpful to rule them out when one suspects depression. Worthy of mention is hypothyroidism and anemia. In the face of certain conditions, depression should be explored because there is a high risk of depression in such a population, which includes postpartum, those with chronic pain, those going through substance use abuse. When a person is going through depression, we must continually explore the risks of suicide and the risks of abuse in the person's life to give them the necessary support. To manage depression, I think of an adage that says, we have space in between our fingers so that the next person's fingers would fit in there. It is essential to know that you are not alone and need support both professionally and otherwise. It has been seen that a combination of medication and non-pharmacological support has given the best results, and many options could be tailored to help the individual. Also, community support is vital and further buttresses the importance of non-pharmacological aspects of treatment. Depression is a prevalent condition and shows us that we need to join hands to support one another, and what we do together is more significant than what we accomplish in isolation. Our great actions are even more remarkable when we have an impact on the greater society. However, the community is even more impressive when each individual can thrive as a part of society.